Hello friend, today we will learn set data structure of Python. Set is an unordered collection with no duplicate element. So set basically an unordered collection of data where every data is a unique one. Though individual items are immutable, the set itself is mutable. That is, we can add or remove items from the set. We can perform many mathematical operations like union of set, intersection of set, etc. Set in Python can be implemented using a hash table. A set can be formed in two different ways. Firstly, a set is created by placing all the items inside a curly braces, and where each element is separated by a comma. In the second scenario, we are using a built-in function set to form a set. In the first case, here I am placing 5 values separated by comma inside a curly braces, and in the second case I am passing a list of 4 values to the function set. Both are creating two different sets, but while we print the set 1 and set 2, here we can see that the first set 1 having 4 elements only. This is because the 4 which is present during the formation of set, finally one of it is discarded, because set is a unordered collection with no duplicate element, so the duplicate element is automatically discarded. In the second case, the duplicate 7, because 7 is repeated 2 times here, so one of its 7 is deleted from the final set 2. Here we are considering two different methods associated with a set. Firstly, the method add. Method add is add a element if it is unique to the set. That means here we want to add 5 to the set 2. Though set 2 have no such 5 in it, so if we trying to add this 5 to the set 2, then it will be easily accepted. So the final values of set 2 contain the value 5, and the set length is increased from 3 to 4, because the set already have previous value hello 4 7, now 5 is added, so the total value in the set 2 become 4. The second method here is a set union. Here set union method result a new set, namely set 3. So set 3 is a set union of two different sets, namely set 1 and set 2. So the set 1 union of set 2 form a new set, set 3. Then if we print the result, this will show the required result. The first line showing the value of a set 2, and the second line showing the value of set 3, which is nothing but the union of two different sets named set 1 and set 2. Here we consider only two methods associated with the set, but there are present a lot of methods which is associated with a set. If you go to the Python documentation, then you will get all those stuff.